Listen to this. Did you ever wonder why your cat makes that sound? Most people think it means they're happy, but that's not always true. Sometimes cats purr even when they're scared or hurt. Weird, right? There's actually a secret reason behind it. And before I tell you why, hit that subscribe button if your cat does this too. Tap like if you've ever wondered what it means. Is your cat the cutest do-it-all? Cats purr to heal themselves. Those soft vibrations help reduce pain, stress, and even repair bones. So yeah, your cat's not just happy, it's healing. Now that you know, give your cat a little more love tonight.